What if I told you that you don't need millions to escape the 9-5, but just one smart number working for you? Imagine waking up tomorrow with no alarm, no boss, no pressure. Just your time, your choices, your life. Sounds unrealistic, right? That's what most people think. But the truth is, they're chasing the wrong goal. Most people believe they need $2, $3, even $5 million to feel safe. So they keep working, stressing, and delaying their life. But what if freedom isn't about how much money you have, but how much you need? Here's the shift. Real wealth is not about luxury cars or big houses. It's about control. Control over your time, your energy, and your decisions. Let's simplify this. If your monthly expenses are $2,000, you don't need millions. You just need enough money that can generate $2,000 every month without you working. That's it. That's the whole game. Now imagine you have $500,000 invested wisely. Even at a simple 5% return, that gives you around $25,000 a year, over $2,000 per month. That covers your basic life. And the best part? You're not touching your main money. You're only living off what it earns. But it gets better. If you invest a bit smarter with a mix of assets, your returns can go higher. Around 8% can give you $40,000 plus per year. That's more than $3,000 per month. Now you're not just surviving, you're living. Here's where most people get stuck. They focus only on earning more, but ignore spending less. Someone who needs $3,000 a month is actually richer than someone who needs $10,000, even if both have the same money. Because freedom depends on your lifestyle, not your income. Think about it. Do you really need everything you're spending on? Or are you just following what society tells you success looks like? The truth is, small decisions shape your future. Spending a little less, saving a little more, investing consistently. It doesn't feel powerful today, but over time, it changes everything. Even saving $500 a month can build something huge if you stay consistent. The problem is, people quit too early. They want fast results, but real wealth is slow and steady. And here's something most people don't realize. Once your basic needs are covered by your investments, your fear disappears. You're no longer stuck. You can take risks, try new things, or even walk away from a job you hate. That's real freedom. It's not about being rich. It's about not being controlled. So instead of chasing a big number, focus on a simple goal. Build enough income that your life is paid for. Because at the end of the day, wealth is not about showing off. It's about waking up and knowing your time belongs to you.